In the vast canvas of the world, every place has a story waiting to be told. Behind the lens, a visual craftsman seeks to capture not just images, but the soul of each destination. I am that storyteller, traversing the Earth's landscapes with a burning passion for cinematography. With each flight of my drone, I paint strokes in the air, weaving the music of the wind with the symphony of colors that only Mother Nature can orchestrate. My journeys are an unending quest to capture the essence of a place, to feel the moment, to breathe in unison with the earth. Technology is my ally. Through color grading, I transform the ordinary into the extraordinary, painting with lights and shadows to reveal the hidden beauty in every frame. The green screen opens portals to unimaginable worlds, where my dreams of creativity know no bounds. But what would these images be without the music that touches the heart? It is she who brings life to my creations, enveloping each scene in an atmosphere that transcends time and space. This is my showreel, a window to my filmmaker's soul, an invitation to travel together through the screen to places where beauty and passion intertwine in an eternal dance. I am a storyteller, an explorer of the unknown, a dreamer of dreams. With every shot, every edit, every note, I seek to leave a mark in this world, to capture the magic that only attentive eyes can see. Join me on this journey of discovery, emotion, and endless beauty.